This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards and support it with the prop rod. Detach the 4 clips securing the air filter cover to the housing. Lift up the cover and remove the air filter element. Wipe out the inside of the air cleaner housing with a clean rag. Install the new air filter element, making sure that it seats properly in the housing. Install the air cleaner cover and secure it with the retaining clips.